Hi everyone, this is Natalie Z from the Blue Lotus Sanctuary. I'm really looking forward to my couples weekend coming up June 29th and 30th. Still have a couple of spots available that I would love to fill, so if anyone is interested, please contact me for the rates. Now, this weekend workshop is wonderful for couples and for singles, and I do have a few spots for singles left also. The mornings will be spent in clothed exercises around authentically expressing our needs and desires. We'll work a little bit with the wheel of consent and boundaries. We'll be working with breath work and meditation, active meditations as well as quiet. And in the afternoons, we'll be coming together in our couples or in our mixed single group to learn some tantric practices with the body and with breath and with touch. So your boundaries are your own during a weekend like this. We do lay out some foundational stuff in the beginning about how to tune into yourself and know what you're doing is yes for you, a big yes. Because it's either a yes and no or a maybe, and if it's not a yes, it's a no as far as I'm concerned. So one of my keys is teaching people how to really work with their own energy, boundaries, creating sacred space to express themselves authentically through their sensual energies. This isn't a sex workshop. Yes, we do work with the full body and we incorporate tantric practices of devotion, love, honoring, and touch in some of our personal spaces. So you have to be willing to really explore yourself through those practices. I'm not saying you have to do anything because everything is your own and your own experience during the workshop also. But there will be nudity, there will be people expressing themselves, and there will be the opportunity for you to see where you fit in that mix if this is something you wish to explore. I find couples come to these workshops for different reasons. Singles probably come for different reasons again, but it's a space where we can all share through the wisdom of the body and the knowledge, both that I have and that comes through in the group. Every group is formed intuitively, and as I say, I do have 2 spaces left. So if you feel into this and think this is somewhere you need to be, then contact me privately and we can discuss getting you involved in the next weekend workshop for couples and or singles, because I have some spots available June 29th and 30th. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.